Hi Sri Lanka. Yes.
Hey, I bought. Sri Lanka.
LAAUTOSHOW 2021. Hey, what's up, bro? Hi, YouTube. Los Angeles AutoShow 2021. After 2 years, අවුරුදු දෙකකට පස්සේ මේක තියෙන්නේ දැන් හැම අවුරුද්දම AutoShow එකේ මේ වගේ තමයි අපව අවුරුදු දෙකකට පස්සේ Los Angeles AutoShow තියන්න first time එක මේක COVID-19 වලින් පස්සේ 2020 2021 2021 තමයි ආපහු මේක තියන්නේ LA AutoShow day 3 තුන්වෙනි දවසේ මම ඇවිල්ලා ඉන්නේ මේ ID එක චෙක් කරනවා වැක්සිනේෂන් කරන් තියෙන්න ඕන COVID-19 වැක්සිනේෂන් නැත්තම් මෙතන ඇතුළට යන්න දෙන්නේ නැහැ ටිකට් එක මම ඔන්ලයින් ගත්තේ ටිකට් එකේ බාකෝඩ් එක තියෙන ස්කෑන් කරපු ස්ක්‍රීන්ෂොට් එකක් තමයි මම දෙන්න යන්නේ thank you sanitizer yeah ready to go sanitizer mask water 2021 in front of the Los Angeles Convention Center downtown Los Angeles මේක තමයි ස්ටාර්ට් කරන්නේ කැලිෆෝනියා තමයි අලුතෙන් ඉලෙක්ට්‍රික් කාර් ගොඩක් කම්පැනි ගොඩක් තැන් තියෙනවා මේකත් කැලිෆෝනියා බේස් ඉලෙක්ට්‍රික් වෙහිකල් එකක් M premium sky same car එක කලර් දෙකක් මේ තියෙන ප්‍රයිස් එක 30 price වෙනවා 34000 34000 premium nice ගොඩක් ඉඩ තියෙන ඉස්සරහනේ M premium Los Angeles AutoShow M premium එකේ මෙතන ඩීටේල්ස් අපිට ගන්න පුළුවන් $38,000 Ford ready make a lava yeah 38,000 mid-size 100 electric truck CLC electric various range option available USB dual tone complement both Ford version मैं यात्रा को मर गया the future is here मैं कहता हूँ अनागत या पॉपुलरिटी ने टेस्ला वितरण और कैलिफोर्निया बेस्ड इलेक्ट्रॉनिक वेहिकल गोडाक मेला मार्केट के तीनों मेरे का एक कंपनी में तमाई प्रीमियम MSRP $7,000 वाव पटला हुआ एक $7,000 हेवी ड्यूटी वाले वाहन है मेरे $7,000 टॉप स्पीड 35 mph सीटिंग फॉर 3 फुल इलेक्ट्रिक पावर स्टील सेफ्टी मेरे सर्फिंग करने कनेक्ट एक ड्राइवर लेजेंड द Shelby Cobra golf cart $14,000 $10,000 में 14,950 මේ ඔක්කොම දැන් already out වෙලා තියෙන මාකට් එකට මේකත් සුපර් security petrol ground එකට stadium එකට security වලට හොඳයි මේක price එක $14,000 sim premium මේකත් sim premium එක one doors කියන්නේ තවත් electric bike එකක් electric bike සහ bicycle මේකත් කැලිෆෝනියා හදන made in California මේ ඔක්කොම all fashion style alut bike alut style එක කියන්නේ 2021 technology එක look like style එක මේක electric bike එක වාව මේක ලස්සනයි scan the wind no මේක electric bike එකක් එතකොට මෙතන තියෙනවා මේකත් electric bike sundoors electric bike මේක තමයි සුපර් මේක electric car එක Sunrise company electric car එක මේකත් California based company made in California Elon Musk ගොඩක් competition එකක් දෙනවා දැන් company එකකම Hollywood oh අඩෝ 3 wheel එකක් මේක all තුනයි තියෙන modern 3 wheel එකක් What's up, bro? Yeah, it's you. Yeah, of course. Hey.
Our company name is called INDI EV,
Okay.
or Independent Electric Vehicles.
Okay.
And this is our first ever car called the INDI 1. And oh yeah, of course.
It's made in California?
Yes. So this car is made in California. Our factory is in Vernon, so I think that's around 20 minutes away from here.
Yeah.
We have a showroom in Beverly Hills which you can actually visit us. I'll be there.
You'll be there. I'll be there then.
You will be there too.
Can I come there?
Yeah.
And make a vlog.
Of course.
All right.
We will be at CES though, so come after January.
Okay, sure.
Yeah, we will have all our cars there, and then we're gonna be coming back.
Okay, cool. Thank you so much.
Well, anyways, about this car. So this is our first ever car. It's fully electric.
Fully electric.
It's
Okay.
a 5-passenger crossover sedan.
Okay.
So you actually have a lot more room than just your regular typical sedan, obviously. But one of our main flagship features about this car is that vehicle integrated computer.
Okay.
That computer is a Windows-based operating system.
Windows based, not Apple, no Android.
No Apple, no Android. It's
Okay.
It's Windows-based, so
Okay.
anything you can do at home with your Windows-based computer, you can do it in this car. And this car, no offense, but it's probably better.
Okay.
In terms of specs.
All right. So what's the model, car name and the model like?
Oh yeah. So car name, it's gonna be, it's the INDI 1.
INDI 1.
And
Okay.
it's our first ever car.
First ever car. What, you know price range and everything?
Yes, price range should start around 45.
45,000.
And-
Basic one, huh?
Yes, the very basic one. And with the battery, I can't give you any specifics on the higher range, but with in terms of battery packs, there's 3 different battery packs.
Okay.
We have the 72, the 95 kilowatt hour battery, and the 114. This launch model is going to be with a 95 kilowatt hour battery.
Wow.
So that is around 300 miles of range.
It's more than Tesla or what?
I think it's
almost similar. Similar. Yeah.
People usually compare the shape of this car to the Model Y.
Yeah. I know. It looks like a Model 1 to me. No, I think it's better than something different here.
I think
The front
so,
is
yeah.
more beautiful. Yeah.
Oh my gosh, yeah.
Yeah.
But the computer is very powerful. You can actually stream Netflix, Disney
Wow.
Plus. If you're watching on YouTube right now, you can actually watch me on YouTube
Oh, yeah?
from this car.
Cool.
What else? You can game in this car. So if you're a gamer,
Okay.
any AAA rated game you can play in this car.
Wow.
In terms of the computer specs, right now it's housing an Intel i7. It's also housing a RTX 2080 Ti. 16 gigabytes of RAM and a terabyte of hard drive space, but that's just for now.
Cool.
And it's next year when we actually do come out, or in the next couple of years, we're gonna have a 3000 series.
Wow. 3,000.
Yeah, so around maybe like a 3080, hopefully, you know. Get AMD in there too, and maybe 32 gigabytes of RAM. You never know.
Cool. Thank you so much.
I bought. Shalaka, let's go. Navata Hamid. I'm so sorry.
That's cool. Thank you. I
Thank
contact you. Okay, I'm going to
Of
send you a
course.
video.
Thank you
buddy.
so much.
Nice car. Whoa. Oh my god. Oh shit. Let's go places Toyota. All new Toyota. That's all new 2022 Tundra. 2022 Tundra के में थी ने. This is Toyota USA එක මම Toyota section එකක් ගාලා ඉවර කරන දැන් live එක යන්න තියනවා නේ live එක යන්න ඉස්සෙල්ලා මම දැන් මෙතන ඉන්නේ මෙතන තියෙන Toyota ඇමරිකාවේ ගත්ත awards ටික ඔක්කොම මෙතන තියෙනවා මෙතන තියෙනවා best car US News 2021 Toyota Avalon එක තමයි best car එක ඊට මෙතන තියෙනවා Hispanic mode එක Toyota Mirai එකට මෙතන තියෙනවා new cars best 2021 Toyota Venza එක තියෙනවා Toyota 2021 මේ ඔක්කොම තියෙන Toyota එකෙන් ගත්ත awards පොඩ්ඩක් කියලා බලන්න
Good evening, Los Angeles. Welcome to the LA Auto Show. Boy, have we missed you. You are hearing my voice. It is coming by the heavenly all-electric vehicle that's about to come out. And guess what? It's going to be available in all 50 states, including Alaska and Hawaii. So we've got our 250-mile range on the brand new 2023 BZ4X. Yes, BZ stands for Beyond Zero. And that means that is part of Toyota's mission for carbon neutrality. So that means we're helping all those trees, pistachio trees, fishes and turtles. Yes, that is our carbon neutrality goal to help the world. 250-mile range, you get front-wheel drive, all-wheel drive. It's perfect because you can really drive this in different elements. I wouldn't drive in helium. So in 1 hour, you get 80% on this charge. So let me tell you what you can do in 1 hour. You can do some squats, get those kneecaps in shape, and after an hour.
Everything about this truck say premium. Make a premium truck එක America Silverado 2022 මේක ඇල price එක basic price එක ඒ කියන්නේ මේකේ option 1 එක 51 option 3 එක මේක 51,195 $51,000 වෙනවා American dollar 51,000 වෙනවා tax එකත් එක දෙනවා මේකට මේක තමයි Silverado එකේ truck එක 2022 $51,000 yes thank you sir $2,500 HD making engine එක turbo 6.6 Wow, sunroof. Smart display ka diyan na ito. Mga space ka diyan diyan. Full relax. Ewan. Back seat ka, front seat ka. Feel like a king. Mega sayang langsung tin pola nanti. $2,022 $51,000 FedEx photo booth Toyota ගෙන් හදපු Toyota Camry FedEx version එකක් මේකේ තියෙන මේක දැන් දාලා තියෙන ඉස්සරහ ඔක්කොම තියෙන Toyota Camry cup so much.